obi say owura Kennedy Agyapong seriously campaigning because Kennedy Agyapong thinks that the last election one shall send them. Muntie you one shall send them because I'm told to say owura Kennedy Agyapong last election NPP for Beko primaries no ye consultation at the ma Martin what the ma chief Martin ye consultation man say mon to about Faba Allen but ono Kennedy Agyapong baby obekobia ne confos ona bo senka wona wo ba ya enya ala ne pen okọ baby o so ona bo ka wona wo ba ya enya ala ne pen okọ baby a enkofos Kennedy Agyapong senka wona ka wo ba ya mutie ne yo ene Kennedy Agyapong we say as a Ghana for person maybe be your president say obo person maybe be your president there then I will contest the flag bearership obo koy ne Kennedy Agyapong used just about 4 months to campaign and obey that second our the special delegate conference and now who share the your son so man can 5 no Kennedy Agyapong also became second with the 38%. So he thinks that the last election no one starting term, so this time around let me start early and the man is campaigning upon directives sir NPP diabano you can see still Kennedy Agyapong is campaigning. So are you telling Justin Kodja to go and sanction Kennedy Agyapong? Hey, I guess I'm okay. Say Justin Kodja sanction Kennedy Agyapong. Party ne mubeto. Mo pesa party ni say. O show bit say. Dr. Mahamadu Bawumia, my wife, campaign over the weekend. His wife, met the Tescom people. Meaning Samira Bawumia, what Samira Bawumia said. If you can say, you can check it. This is what Samira Bawumia said. Was say, contest should be about an exchange of ideas, not attacking personalities or denigrating your opponent. It speaks to your character. Especially your character. So, Samira Bawumia is saying this. Are you telling me that she's not campaigning? Dr. Mahamadu Bawumia is all over the place. Thank you, Tom. Wajeba microphone was so. Yade Kofoko 2 times. Yade you call 2 times. Atames or call 3 times. Osho bit is the President Kofo. Yade no call 2 times. Atames call 3 times. Ena Nana Akufo Addo call 3 times. Eti onon ye mano. De all can one kasi and twaba mano. But obia we logiction. We are logician. As said Dr. Mahamadu Bawumia per se. Catcher will say, yeah, for no second time. You understand? It's not a campaign, it is campaign. So are you telling me that what you almost say Justin Kodja from Pom, Uncle Banne Dr. Mahamadu Bawumia, on sanction Dr. Mahamadu Bawumia, number person party the guana? If say, Opisa Abronya DC, I can some yetia, your friend say, Waka some yetia, a compare Japan. And a party no issue statement based on Abronya some or Kayano. And a ma party no issue statement to say, Obianu who cancel bed denigrating in the part, Obianu who cancel a campaign. And to say Abronya was no sanctioner. Why do we have to go and sanction Abua Papon Owusu Bempa and the assembly? So Justin Kodja say, administratively, it makes sense that what this are a yinaba directive ne ediaba. We are party in our bediswa. That's fine. When this one, the party people are watching you because I say when you see a Fianansa and your native wisdom. So why are you careful? Now, because Kennedy Agyapong, media yaba, directive aba, Kennedy Agyapong will busu, want to see a campaign. Party not taking decisions, say Kennedy Agyapong ya banning. Party the mundo. So you guys should bear with the Justin Kodja report. And I do agree with the directive for Diaba, say a Mobiania campaign. It will take a decision. It should be decisional and you're very critical. While you're careful, obey me as a party. You get me? So this is a directive for the Bible. I will say NPP bans all prospective aspirants from engaging and campaigning to party executives at all levels until the party opens nomination. It's one of what they are burying. And then Kofu Ebuso. It is today there be a party that do no. Say of ye kiki. Next one called Banu obesisi and I say was Sashi obesisi asembaba. Baby a party the Jirano. If you don't apply native wisdom, next one okase obe Sashi oma, you'll be ending up destroying the party. So this man has taken a stand and say, I will not sanction these people. And I do agree with him. And Akufo Addo radio so as someone putting pressure on a general secretary. What tell you? He's the general secretary and administrator of the party. Oko party officer. One only nipa de bia watewa. Or ye duma day in the day out. Or no kwana party in the constitution. And ma kwami etuadeka. It will take a decision. It should be decision. And you're very critical. One ye careful. Obet me as a party. You get me? But say, what Judge Jeremy say, he will never sanction anybody for now. I do agree with him. Because who cry obey Jamaican what I say. And let's say he doesn't have a boss, so best sanction. Or he doesn't have the boss, he say, or best sanction Kennedy Agyapong, or best sanction Samira Bawumia, and I said Dr. Mahamadu Bawumia, but doesn't make sense. It is clear that it does not make sense. If you do that your own peril. That's all. So as for media, honestly speaking, media directive for the ban and metawachi. Any idea when you are what you say, won't sanction will be out for now. But that is how it's supposed to be. And then I do agree with you. The moment obeti enka. And then disagree. We are not in the political season ever NPP. NPP baby nomination. Now our person call for police station executive election. Obeko to constituency level, to regional level, to national level. Party in to the flag bearership. Party in but people have started campaign. People have started campaign. And now, Papa, administratively, Justin Kodbia at the release Babonte say, Obi be away campaign, no, a brand nomination ye cease that campaign away. Let's read how Justin Kodbia came out. Yeah. I'm reading the actuality of what Justin Kodbia said quickly. Yes, the party release on the Babonte say, omo catcher obia owo pe se opese wudina position bia e wonu petrate party no. You don't have to campaign. You don't have to campaign. Okay. Now, Papa idi ade Babonte no. What the Babonte no? You could see say there are some people omo ye campaign. So, but let me tell you something. It is the honors of Justice Kodbia to sanction that enkofona omo ebusa embra na say directive na or the Babonte no omo busu. So no na sadie se o yes ade. But me no kasa sisia no baby a party ni gira no if you don't apply native wisdom na so okase obesanshi o ma you be ending up destroying the party. So this man has taken a stand and say I will not sanction these people, and I do agree with him. And Akufo Addo radio so as someone putting pressure on a general secretary. What tell you? He's the general secretary and administrator of the party. Oko party officer. One only nipa de bia watewa. Or ye duma day in the day out. Or no kwana party in the constitution. And ma kwami etuadeka. So this is a directive for the Babonte. Was say NPP bans all prospective aspirants from engaging and campaigning to party executives at all levels until the party opens nomination. It's one of the aberie. And then Akufo Addo. It is today there be a party that do no. Say of ye kiki. Neso ko banu obi sisi a na say o sanction obi sisi a asembaba.
Na Emra Alan ene anado kra pre no. Na sa sebi nkwasa se mo enimu. Eso ene to the sense say now the evidence on one sunny interview account mu say Alan in the team catch Ghana for NPP for say ono nanado dan Kwaku Addo hard drugs nti mom to man so yet Ghana for bu mani egu so mom to man nanado man be president o say honorable Ken ensema o kan na NDC for radio ni TV so Ghana for mo hwe mo ya dance for radio station bay and as a TV station bay and I say NDC for airborne honorable Ken voice say NPP airborne chrono and as a can say or can say NPP and nema bia omo ye ya ama Ghana for Boafuntin, NPP lose election in 2022. Station Bay, and Moon say, and this station Bay, and that's NPP station, and I radio and that's TV station Bay, and a Moon say, NDC for airborne honorable kind of voice, air campaign and I can say NPP. By whose stations are no more, when the fundamentals are weak, the exchange rate will expose you. You who saw boy. You who say, Omo boy. My lucky dollar no as a prison. And I'm the keys no. I'm an IGP. Yet it's all my boy. Obekache say NPP. And nema omaye Pualugu Dam. Ana enyo omokaye. One village, one dam. Omodi campaign. Ebo radio so ni TV so. And to some and Dr. Mahamadu Bawumia eka sansem no. Na onobo ken atwetua so ni so se onka. And I say not the second so. And I know I ain't drew. She more kasa mama we enye dwuma. Ewi ase on. Nimdeɛ yɛpɛ. Yɛpɛ nimdeɛ banyansa yɛde wo. Ewi ase nimdeɛ yɛpɛ banyansa yɛde wo. Enti mo kasa mama nyansa no enim anim, mama nimdeɛ enim anim. That's why mo bie mano a na nsɛm bia na mo ka. Mubie manoa nsibia na moka na say general ye ready a ommo Samira Bawumia na ansa na bebo Samira Bawumia no yentie eye ose onobo ken edidi NPP fo atem yentie sense as ensema ye betia na say video ya ye beboy na audio ye beboy atem didi ewom ne de yentie atem didi bai no yenkotie say onobo ken was right or wrong. You we are near beside Miracle Boakye, Dr. Mahamadu Bawumia team, and you want to me, ni movement TV for the say. Omuti, no, and that's almost no. Say, enetie, Yemra.
I don't have a problem. What you say? And to say a co-meeting. Now strategizing. But first of all, let me condemn these MPP for. Only a bogus MPP. If you answer the MPP for need capital. MPP now come. Read my lips. MPP. If you answer, omu need capital. Jimmy pa. Jimmy omo Jimmyana. Book. MPP for book. They will stay in opposition forever. One. Safuma for ni for na nekasa. Safuma for oni info na nekasa. One party for no mukasa recorded him. Unim nyanza. What he said, NDC for committee and woman record. Do you know the things they say, the strategies they put in place? And then again, and about things MPP form painful Eastern region, Moshia. Na Onipano Air strategy. Na record. Unim nyanza. Nana Akufo Addo. Oni NDC for na ekasa. Oni NDC for na ekasa. Libisaw party for. Eye den and om the bar out. Then I ask again, what is say NDC for akoshia wo central region. And ya record and ya biabre MPP for say mana. Me sure say MPP for already so member power. Because I will share the way of mine AC say na ukom fa tape way and ya come will be no doctor. No be cheap propaganda. Say na minianum grafo e code mehu asema asafuma Africa odidi nkrani atebana. Odidi wo mate. Few of them know say yanko from the Bediatuo momunti. There is nothing wrong with that, sir, and can support to NDC. I don't have a problem. What do you say? And he went from all these things. Another Jimmy, MPP for Mama Jimmy, what Jimmy Papa will stay in opposition forever. MPP for. The bang na what said. NDC for Eddie Dinana Duatamwa. NDC for to me make a statement to say, wait here, and yet. I said, anything. They listen to what media do and they back out. And quickly, My Jimmy NPP for Jimmy, me who be stupid people. I don't know why I belong to that political party. They are idiots. Because when Tia Samano, with this associate, they have done that to Safumafu too. NPP has done the same thing to Safumafu. Common sense, NPP for Nibi. They are all quick with this associate, any opposition I want. Because NDC, you will not get anybody to make any comment on that. What is wrong with that? Argentina, Obi are proud to say where you Denny, Obi are proud to say where you Granny, Obi are proud to say where you Slimmy. Me Kuam Kukasa, me are proud to say where you Kenya. You have a problem in this country. Why? I can.
Honorable Ken, I can say before 2016 elections. Argentina in 2016, and this one for sir. Oma more voice we Bawumia campaign. Entire NPP. Sa video me boy see na say audio me boy. 20 before 2016 elections. So it was around 2014, 2015. And now we can asem. Argentina in 2016 NPP for Bawumia campaign. And then this Bawumia campaign entire NPP. Argentina in 2020 Omanfa same voice anya campaign enter NPP because I'm more like if you nyansa more like nyansa nimdie ne de mo se makusua mo wo ba de wo mo eye we ida eni ho anase e wo fom se ni fom so na se wo ho de a e bo apayo na mo ye npa bonesem e na modi na se mo message a munya opportunity a mumra na mumeka yedi ade we ne ba ye we ne mo de man ye be ye. That's what we are expecting. Nenka nyansa fo mienu fansi ani nenka nimdi fo mienu fansi ani na mo de makote mantwea ana mo tugum oh me say campaign said on kind Ken ebeye de papa yentie Samira Bawumia na asa bebo Samira Bawumia video no untumi TV NPP mpanifo ene Dr. Mahamadu Bawumia mo kasema ohun momfa no kra ni nyina emra omo behave to say the Anas ye na dwuma se meninana eto wa ye bonkomo ena meko nana so obi asafo di $100 ana 50 cedis nefa koto ensuo nefa bembe kura no osoma me se me koto ensuo mfa mre no wa video muha se nana e discover me ena magenti no mage bribe sani behave sani yatina wiase ye so adent na mo kan mon kasa NPP for recorde osafumafo ne nana adodan kwa Akufo Addo edekoma NDC for anase omunim nyansa because miracle woni Bawumia mo na mo na mo shachire miracle woni Dr. Mahamadu Bawumia mo na mo she Eastern region for na o recorde osafumafo ne nana adodekoma NDC for ma omkobo in 2015 2016 no na upon sa audio no mo recording nyina beto abontin nyina no eden esi ye Ghana for say mo se nanado osafumafo say we mu ye sei kura na ya hwe ya setenem ne de to aba nto mo to de tia NDC etoma NPP upon all the videos about bonti audios e leaky nyina no upon all that no mo to aba de ma NPP party so mo kasa mo ma we enya dwuma yente Samira Bawumia asema okosia bloggers tiktokers na omato magu krum se omo metna TikTok Facebook social media no medidi Honorable Ken atem no ushia omo no yentie tool a anase message a odemo omo se omo mfa nko abonten no mfa nko ka enfentie Honorable Ken yenkotie yeba yebetozo.
When you saw a different, now they are two. That is it. It's an exchange of ideas. That is what contest should be about. Not attacking of personalities, not denigrating your opponent. It speaks to your character. It's yedi niji edemopia, yedi ahombrasie, and yedi koyeni. And me hope so say, Mamo Henina, Obeshe Dr. Bawumia Suban. Now it should guide you. His humility, his clarity of purpose, his composure, that should guide you. Mosu mokono, mokwa canvassing. I urge you all to have that spirit. Yen you be antem. Yen say you be. Yen ye busianko. I can't see any area. They say after competition comes what? Cooperation. So we should make sure we don't say things that we cannot take back. We know are down for cryaka. Who can be there? So can say ma. Moboma. Oh very. Say sansim nefi winu. So let's all be guided by me kunde menim nisubay. Menim se oyeni papa. Menim se na koma ye. Menim se obey jumadin edia songa.
Ihwan eno ni pabonini. Na ye nyina ye one family. Nti se wo kasema na wahwe. Asema mpese mbisa Samira Bawumia ne se. Niku na kuma mu. Why ready so beba bi mana. Ana wo na opushi no. Bawumia Dr. Mamuban na kuma mu ene ni mu no. Why na dwen so beba biom ana se wo na opushi no. First question mbisa Samira no. Second question. Una yo ba ofie anasa una ye be ma ofie. The obe kanukun eni say. Na say una wo dictate ma ukuna. How can he control or how can he rule Ghana? Otibonsu dana okobugu ye no. Otibonsu of free space. Onya NPP ni. Adenti na one for ni to say as NPP eni edan na me pass ase no dia me ne ko negotiate na wodi utumi ekobuye because ukun ye vice president so kun be president at Jubilee House obe fast ase no na ye buagu na wa fast ase no ti ano na wo hwe anaso be wan say defense ministry the whole airport side no was be ka say asase we die me papa ne toye ana me papa dia nti no meja asase no na wabuagu na yakasem we Samira atente hotu auto a ohun eja oso dwane atente ho etu auto a ohun eja omben hu mpo na mframa kra fa ema ejan bia kosom Shy Hills and as a forest hotel dodowa Sammy kai wo hu meboa Sammy kai wo hu meboa e den see ho forest hotel dodowa e den see ho e me so me hu na mani o anytime bia ampenfo bi betwa bia no bini wa na mo video panika se bi pa so na dankwa ni ministers na kan obi onso ko twa hwe na chief of staff de ntoma e pa de ntoma de chichere mu sei oh ha Ibeji campaign way ha a bed de brutal into one we share TikTokers and bloggers no social media for no say on koto could di honorable kenatem ko ye ni fi na asama mpese mi bisa Dr. Mahamadu Bawumia ne Samira and say in 2016 property be no more Ghana. Now since 2025, from 2016 to 2025, properties are here and no more Ghana. Na ohwen sema e course e o mampon a akom ono keno okasa it say no kura entro akofa kunwa tena so abo kunwa ma ne ho anytime bia no kura be pie pe na yam omnyina adwane na say popo bibiri abobo omo ti de obia be bia no bia na oka because omo I expect say no kura be ba the ono ken be kan no kura ba ko no na pepe video umutiafa
nyoma bi wo wa na NPP wa ben mu no ni ye de hoho aye ho paaw say fan say ye wo mema e fan say when it comes to the management of the city nomne sa nyoma no na ye feel say media ko trans ye me nwanwa na me na su da say NDC public mama city swati aba be do se bra because you on kophobia omutimi babage na radio so catch Ghana for nyina say ya lucky dollar no she dem dollar na bani aje be radio so confidence am de kasa no you go you leader bia or you head of economic management no timi manager ya lucky city ne she ho a e ma ono atimi ba bonten ba beka and then me betra si na NDC for am e form incompetence na NDC for timi achi dollar na na be gina say e me nwa to be very honest with you
2% of NDC for bomb mo
minkasa
omo mema chen
don't push to that level asma be continue
omo mema chen mo ana
baby abeduru no akoye se book bi ye kan ye nkwala brem ne ye kan book bi obi ba jeki unu mo ba jeki
fa ho nyina to form
dabi na Krupa Lions any Red Lions no mo ko bobo no mo player bi o dey afraid obi ba jeki obedwa na numusa abo no ye di Krupa Lions ye be hya mo 3000 ye koduru park so a obi ba jeki amese poto
bono to so
enei no ye mu bi ye trance ne ye ko akire ne ye be hwe de ye ko so me to me still I see NDC incompetence is still glaring, but the point is that today what are we seeing with what is the dollar rate now? What is happening? Ye obi ba JK for na ne say omudi animu ananka omutimi lock dollar shed them and NPP na no way. What is happening? And am I not making sense? Obi ba JK no bie doa na sebi dollar no yes ya chi dollar no and the businessmen. What is the reason why I'm saying that? In the election, coming up to the election, one of the most frequent thing that comes to me, every businessman will come to Owusu Bempa mutimi dollar no bibia businessman no be twaba no dollar no higher. And the reason why I was using that analogy to tell you, for every Tom, Dick, and Harry in our party, and then Ghana, to know, I am very key. And he's saying, every businessman, every market woman, every person, because maybe a grassroots person, people come to me. Hey, na dollar no day na, mwana musibu be chi dollar yi, mwantima chi dollar, say dollar no baby adru no, enko ye, ntidie na mo ya fa ho. Oh, munya botre ye de nyoma tutu ye, ne de akoshe Russia Ukraine war. Ye ka na mfa. Ne de afa na mo ye dollar yi dan. And was one of the fundamental issues that play a role in this election 2024. NPP for minya obi o ka chem say mo flag bearer. Onwa assure ye say when it comes to management of the city and the dollar and the economy, nobody can beat him.
Now one say during one say ejuma oye no and ama
one will taking the wind out of the sail. To boas me do kono manu makro ma kan de me. Entino everybody was so assured say economic when it comes to those days. Say a year economic NPP year symposium na ye obi ba JK be gina ho no man lecture no a the NDC baby abubu agu fom baby abubu agu fom me boa Now you're aware. And you know, the Ghanaian people had the assurance. They had the confidence. Say, NPP, we have the men to manage the economy and manage the city. Mewa, not just a nipanua, or dear Nimuno, Biba Jekeno. Boy, too much. Too much. You know him say, and when it comes to say, Ghana 42 million Akufo Addo, the uncle doctor, economy, no, the HS, ya titino say, you messy, no. Ya bed dribble, or muti say, you know. What you say? But you go to a point of say, na ye Biba JK, ya the question, but two also Biba JK go answer. What they are fighting it. Now, for Ghana, for who the echo, hey, we were running away from the real issue of the economy and the city and we were running away from it. Meboa, intermediate, the one man now should die say, NDC for private ma be manage dollar. I'm a nay businessman be the catcher, say catch them. Say mo tutumu ni omeyi. Now the way a new Messi crown and go for mu etimi we need the goodwill of the Ghanaian people no matter what. What if the just say obiase ya yenko defend sa petrol omudi abeya omudi $1 to so ya. Yes, it's difficult because if you are a communication strategist, very difficult for you to go and defend as an NPP. What is your moral right to go and defend this? Because the point is that otchere all the Ghanaian people wanted to see the dwindling of the dollar against the cedi strength against the dollar. Businessman no cry free China no. Or the all share say dollar no ni cedi no ni jina na so and who odin against the dollar. A majority of the business people, that's what we were looking for. Yes, we need to be by JK so. Say, Sabi, ye be who say, BB Koso na dollar ni bet manage. Man so die da. Say NDC with this management of the economy and they share the Koso. And then we have to be honest. Say, me as an NPP person, me who says that situation happen based on your credentials in your mind when we're in opposition. Talking about competence in managing the economy and managing the city, you know. Now share the air course we are who are my ferry, and now the question of because we have the men. And we have the men. Ebinu Bekachere said they know the inside and out of the economy. They know how to manage the economy. They know how to grab the city and give the key to the IGP.
Some Emma Marlock and Asher MT IGP and you kin to you are seeing a CD not a praka. Etimesre a very fundamental as a people going forward. We should be very careful the choice of leaders we take and the kind of practical leadership that we want to see. Sabio ye leader ye friend Kennedy Agyapong Kwaku Agyapong wato PK da o ana oni menim wato PK da o di ase wadi bibia bi waye bi da waye boga wahuru kukom da waye he knows every facet of the Ghanaian economy wa running business bi da. If you put such a man in the helm of affairs say and obehu nyoma afa practical things now no catch you say na dwene ye asin dom pimele primary school practical you and odi adwuma enti no for me dia ubusa question say sa ba mu asin ye be nyoma no me hunu say these fundamental areas of political choices choices that will make us as a political party NPP your baby a yegina say ye elitist and intellectual political party with pragmatic development and ideas to move the country forward.
Thanks for watching. Like and share the video. You can also drop your comment. Please don't forget to subscribe. Click on the bell to turn on the notification.